Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're wrapping the Cayenne's headlights yellow. For those of you who've been following me for a while, you know I have a 996 turbo that I also have yellow headlights on. I actually used the same exact Vivid air tint in yellow, and it's held up really well for the last 3 years or so. So I'm gonna do the same thing to the Cayenne because the headlights are already kind of yellow. I mean, how much yellower can they get? We'll find out. So here's what we're gonna be working with today. We have a 12 by 60 inch headlight tint from Vivid, some scissors for when I get kind of like a rough measurement of what I need on the headlights. I used to have like an X-Acto knife and one of those retractable small knives. I don't know where it went, so I'm gonna use this super busted utility knife. Wish me luck. And last but not least, our handy dandy heat gun. Let's get to work. So first things first, I'm gonna measure how much of this I actually need. Please be wide enough. No. So 12 inches is, I guess, just a little tiny bit too short to get this corner right here. And this corner over here. I guess this way it is. Okay, so whenever I do this, I always like to give myself a little bit of space on both sides. This right here should be enough for this side. And fingers crossed this is enough for the other side. One thing I forgot, little squeegee that comes with the kit. We're gonna use this to actually apply it so we don't scratch the film up like crazy. Alrighty, so starting off, I'm gonna peel the back off this and just stick it on like a giant sticker. So at this point, you're gonna wanna try to lay this down like glass. You want this to be as smooth as possible with no heat, and just minimize the air bubbles as much as you possibly can. And it's totally fine to lift, reapply as needed. Try to get some of those creases out of there early on. You'll notice on the curves, it's a little harder to get everything just right. And at that point, you're gonna need to use some heat. It really sucks working your way inside out. You know what? We're gonna get out the heat gun. Alrighty, here we are. I'm gonna go on low heat. Just massage it a little bit, get it to work in. All right, guys, this project is really testing my patience, but I think I have it good enough to where I can cut this. So let's do it. So now I'm gonna go around all the edges and make sure everything seals up. I'm gonna use my heat gun in this. Just so you can see what I'm doing, I'm heating up the edges and then I'm using this to tuck everything in. Yeah, one headlight done. Headlights are still warming up, but here's how it's looking so far. I don't know if I like it. All right, guys, let's get to work on this side. Let's see if I learned anything from the first headlight. All right, guys, all that's left right here is this corner. Oh my God, I'm so close to being done. Finished up this headlight in under half an hour. That was way easier once I remembered how to work with it. But my camera died before I started trimming and I didn't realize. So here it is, here's the finished product. Oh yeah, looks meaner. But I figured while I'm here and I have all the stuff out, I might as well do my fogs. That looks pretty sweet. Looks like we have just enough vinyl for this. One more time. There's the finished product. For some reason, it looks really yellow on the camera. It's not that yellow in real life. Okay, maybe it kind of is. But I think it looks so good with both the headlights and the fog lights yellow. Yeah, that looks amazing. This will definitely match the turbo now, so we're good to go. Speaking of the turbo, I totally forgot when I wrapped both the turbo and the Boxster's headlights, I popped the headlights out because they were so easy, right? You just stick a tool in, turn it, and the whole unit just kind of pops out. For this, I've never taken the headlights out and I was kind of lazy and I don't care about the paint on this. So I just took a knife and cut around it. But if you want to spare your paint, I'd recommend taking your headlights out. I know it's a little more work, but a little work for a lot less headache down the road. But anyways, y'all, that wraps it up for me. I'd say this is a job well done. Even though there's a couple little wrinkles here and there in the vinyl, I'm gonna live with it. But hey, thanks so much for watching, y'all. Till next time, peace. Here's how it looks at night in pitch black, pretty much. It's still pretty bright. I really like yellow headlights. I don't know what it is, especially with all cars nowadays going like pure white. The yellow's a nice touch. So here it is, a lot of good visibility and I'm enjoying it. All right, guys, it's been a solid 3 days with these yellow headlights, and guess what? I'm over it. Let's take them off. Luckily for me, I'm not really good at putting stickers on, so I'm hoping this will peel off pretty easily. If not, I do have my handy dandy heat gun here to finish it off, so come on. This is coming off way too easy, guys. I'm gonna guess I didn't do a good enough job of wrapping these headlights because why is this coming off like a giant sticker? Goodbye. Okay, one more time on the other side. There it is. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me waste part of my day wrapping these headlights just to get it looking like how it was before. Luckily for me though, the fog lights are here to stay. I kind of like the little yellow down there. Personally, on a silver Cayenne, all yellow headlights and fogs is just a little too much. So here we are. But alrighty y'all, thanks so much for watching. If you're planning on tinting your headlights, hopefully this helps you a little bit and hopefully you learn from my mistakes. But okay, thanks so much for watching y'all. Until next time, peace.